Did you know Truvista Fiber customers can receive account information, outage updates, and support right from their phone? Getting started is easy. Simply open your text messages and send the word unstop to 800-768-1212. You'll receive a confirmation message, unlocking a world of helpful commands. Once enrolled, you can easily access support. You'll receive a confirmation message and gain access to several helpful commands. Need assistance? Text HELP to receive a list of available commands and support options. Want to know your current account balance? Text BAL and we'll send it directly to your phone. Need your account number for a payment or support request? Text ACCT to retrieve it instantly. If you're experiencing service issues, text outage to check for known outages in your area. Whether you're checking your account, looking for outage information, or need help with your service, support is only a text away. By enrolling in Truvista Fiber SMS alerts, you'll always be connected and informed. It's support simplified. Stay connected and stay informed. Text unstop to 800-768-1212 and enroll in Truvista Fiber SMS alerts today.